Welcome back. My name is Atisha Bhoir, lecturer from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we will see the part 3 video of chapter 5, that is input output and modem. So in this video we will discuss about what is modem. So nowadays we don't use the internet, we rely on it. When the connection is slow or worse or non-existent, your whole day could be on, right? if you if your internet connection is slow, then you will get irritated, right? Our whole day will be ruined because our internet was slow. So we use internet for every purpose, right? Internet is the part of our life. But you have ever stopped to think about how the connection works? From Wi-Fi router to mobile devices, the component that make up on your home network all speak different languages, but your modem is the translator. So, but you ever stop to think about how the connection works? Have we ever think how the connection works? So from Wi-Fi router to mobile devices. From Wi-Fi router to mobile devices, the component that make up the home network all speak different languages. Means Wi-Fi router's language is different, mobile device language is different. Okay. So how they communicate? If you have Wi-Fi router in your home and your mobile device is receiving a signal from your Wi-Fi router, means when you connect your mobile to the router for internet, when you connect your mobile to your router for internet, but how they communicate with each other? Wi-Fi router receives signals from mobile devices, mobile device receives signal from router, right? Because they are connected. You put a password of your router and then connect your Wi-Fi router to your mobile device for internet. But how Wi-Fi router and mobile device communicate with each other, we only know. Then there are some radio frequency signals which are used for the wireless communication between Wi-Fi router, mobile devices, laptop, computers, anything. Okay, but how Wi-Fi router and mobile devices which are connected through internet communicate with each other? Because Wi-Fi router speaks different language, mobile device speaks different language. So because of it we use modem, because modem is the translator between them. Modem is the translator between them. In early days we use Wi-Fi router and modem separately, but nowadays modem is inbuilt in your Wi-Fi router. Means modem is the part of your Wi-Fi router. In the Wi-Fi router, modem is also there. Okay, it is not a separate device. It takes the signals that come from your internet service provider or ISP and translate them into internet connection for your Wi-Fi router to broadcast. So your Wi-Fi router, if you have Wi-Fi router at your home, then how the Wi-Fi router gets internet, how the Wi-Fi router gets internet, which is you providing, it is providing internet to your home appliances, right? For your smart TV, for your laptop, for your computer, for your mobile device, Wi-Fi router is providing internet. It is home network. But how Wi-Fi router gets internet? From the ISP, right? From the internet service provider, from where we bought, from where we take internet, from where we bring internet, that is internet service provider, right? Our internet service provider provides the internet to the Wi-Fi router, and then Wi-Fi router provide the internet to our devices which are connected to it, right? So modem is used to translate the language. So how it translates the language we will see in the further video. Modem will take the signal, modem will take the signal from the internet service provider and give it to the router. So as I said, router is modem is inbuilt, modem is a part of the router, modem is not a separate device. Okay, so in the router modem is there, modem takes the signals from the ISP, that is internet service provider, and give it to the router. Okay, because ISP's language is different and router's language is different. So modem basically used to translate the language in between. On a basic level, your modem gives you access to the web, but it can also make a huge difference in the efficiency of your home Wi-Fi. So your internet service provider gives the analog signals to the router. Internet service provider gives the analog signals to the router, but router doesn't understand that language. Router requires a digital signals. So modem will play the role in between. Means what? Internet service provider will give the analog signal to the modem. Modem translates the analog signal to the digital signal and then give it to the router, so that router will get the language. Okay, because router understands digital language and your internet service provider understands the analog language. So modem is basically used to translate between them. So basically modem is what? Modulator and demodulator. Means it is used to convert the language. Okay, modulator and demodulator. It is a hardware component that allows the computer on the device such as router or switch to connect to the internet. It converts or modulates the analog signal from the wire. From the wire means what? From the internet service provider to the digital data. Digital data is ones and zeros. Computer only understand the language of zeros and ones. Okay, so that a computer can recognize. So modem will take the analog data from the ISP internet service provider and convert it into the digital data, that is modulates it to the digital data, so your computer can recognize the language. Similarly, it converts the digital data from a computer and another device and demodulate into the analog signal that can be sent over the telephone lines. Means what? It takes the signal from the ISP gives the analog signals. So, and your router or your computer only understands the digital language. So it will doesn't get understand the analog signals, right? So modem takes the data from the ISP, which are analog signals. Then modem converts the analog signals, which is also called as modulates. Modem modulates the analog signal into digital signal, so your router can understand the language, and vice versa. Then modem also demodulates the digital signals to the analog signals so that your ISP can understand. Okay, so it is basically a translator. So this is a diagram how a modem works. The modem receives information from your ISP through the phone lines. So there is internet. Modem converts it to the internet, that is Wi-Fi router, which is connected to the modem, the hub on your Wi-Fi connections. So router is connected to the modem and modem is connected to the ISP. Internet is the ISP. Modem in between them works as a translator and Wi-Fi router. So internet only understand the analog signal. Wi-Fi router only understand the digital signal. So internet will send the analog signal to Wi-Fi router, but Wi-Fi router doesn't understand the analog signals. It only understands the digital signals, right? So modem in between them converts the analog signal which are received from the internet to the digital signals. मॉडेम क्या करेगा? मॉडेम एनालॉग सिग्नल को इंटरनेट एनालॉग सिग्नल प्रोवाइड करेगा मॉडेम को. मॉडेम क्या करेगा? एनालॉग सिग्नल को डिजिटल में कन्वर्ट करेगा एंड देन वाईफाई राउटर को सेंड करेगा. वाईफाई राउटर जो डिजिटल डेटा दे रहा है मॉडेम को, वो मॉडेम क्या करेगा? डिजिटल से एनालॉग में कन्वर्ट करेगा एंड देन इंटरनेट को सेंड करेगा. ओके, बिकॉज इंटरनेट ओनली अंडरस्टैंड्स एनालॉग सिग्नल, router only understands digital signal. So when internet gives the analog signal to your router, modem convert the analog to digital, and then Wi-Fi router when gives the digital signal to the internet, modem will convert the digital to the analog signal. The modem receives the information from ISP through the phone lines or coaxial cable and convert it into digital signal. The router job is to push the signal out of the connected devices, either the Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi, so that your device can access the internet. Your router and ISP can't communicate directly. Router and internet can't communicate directly because they speak different languages. ISP only understands analog signal. Router only understands digital signal. So modem is used to convert it. Okay. They transmit different signal times, which is why modem is used as a translator. Okay. So basic procedure is what? Modem is a translator. Your internet gives the analog signal to the router only understands the digital signals, so modem convert the analog signal which are received from the internet to the digital signals and then send it to the Wi-Fi router, and Wi-Fi router will send the data to computer, laptop, mobile devices which are connected to the router, right? And then when router gives the digital signals to the internet, then internet only understands analog signal. So modem will again convert digital signal to the analog and then give it back to the internet. So this is the procedure. Modem works as a translator. Okay. So this is how modem works. Next part of the chapter we will see in the part 4 video. Thank you.